Hey guys, welcome to softwaremaster.com. Today we are going to draw this cute panda over here, and we are going to use AI, which is Adobe Illustrator. So now it's your turn to follow me. So once you open AI, create new, you can go under print for a better quality. Today we are going to do with milliliters for the units and portrait for my design. I would like to select A4, but if you like to go with other platforms, there are plenty of them to go. So after that, you just press create. So right now, you just need to bring the cute cartoons in. So after file and place, you just double click on the image that you like to be with. So now you go. I usually place it in the corner of the page. So it's easier for you to drag it around or put in the proportions, like the placements. So today we are going to use ruler as a guide. So as you can see, I cannot find the center point of the artboard. I will need to draw rectangles. So you can press. Actually, I have a lot of shortcut keys on my screen, so you can follow me with. You don't need to remember what is the correct bar tool you need to use. So for the guide, I will just need the stroke. So I will off the solid colors and bring it around. You can play with the colors under the color bar or even in the bar side, or both are actually the same. So I will need to bring at the back so you will not block the image. So under layers you can see, but right now you saw that the layer is actually behind, so I will just need to lock it so you cannot move it around anymore. See, if I unlock it, yeah, I can move it. I can find the center point, so I just need to drag my rulers and my guides in. So after all, I actually found what is the center point, and I can drag it around to wherever places I wanted to be. So I can just lock it. Yeah, see, I can't move it anymore. And the guides, how to lock the guides, which is over here. And otherwise, you can go under view. There is a guide and lock guide that you can play with. There are a lot of different things that you can play with. So the easier way is actually just right click and lock guides. Yeah. See? Yeah. So now I can drag the pandas in the center point. So now I would like to resize my image, which I wanted to be the same proportion. So I need to press and hold shift for this. And if I would like to just enlarge from the center point, I will need to shift and option. Press together, you will become like this. And another way to do it is under proportion. Yeah, you just need to link the width and the height together and just key in what is the height that you would like to be. Yeah, see, the sides actually almost the same, but it just because of the image itself is slightly off, but it's okay because the panda is actually sitting not in the center as well. So I would like to reline my layers, as my layers is quite messy. I will have two layers. One will be the guide that I'm going to do with, another one will be my drawings. So after create, you just need to drag alone under the correct columns that you would like to be with. So now we will begin the drawings. Yeah. So as you can see, we need to zoom in to bring it closer and do it more accurate. So I would like to go with the panda ear first. I will just wanted to check whether I can use a perfect circles, but it's not really a useful tool because it's actually quite off. Yeah, so I will need to use another tool, which is, so you can use pen tool. Usually I will do right off the center point, which will be easier for me to align. So I will go with the horizontal guides, the middle point. Yeah, just click and click and click. I will click the 4 points, which will makes me easier for me to drag alone after all. bring out the toolbar. So it will become curved for the lines for me, and I will need to off my solid colors and change my stroke. So you can see my image is actually grayscale also, so I will need to decrease my opacity, so make me clearer and make my items more clearer to bring out my lines up. For this is actually to bring as close as possible, and we're going to align it again because of, you see the sharp edges at the top. You can see that it's actually sharp edges, it's not smooth. So what we can do is we need to shift it around. You can see the pink color lines, which means that it's horizontally balanced. So now I know what I'm going to do for the four angles. If you feel like the line is too over curved, you actually can redesign the length of the strokes that you wanted to be, and bring it as close as possible for you. Because as you can see, right, our panda head actually is not a full round circles. That is the reason why I need to use my pen tools instead of drawing a perfect circle. So the rest of my video is almost the same as this, which I'm going to draw out the lines and recurve it and form it as close as possible for my pandas. And all my my shortcuts actually will be present in my screen, so you actually can just follow my screens, and currently I will just stop here. Now I would like to end my video, and this will be the final looking of my products, which is it almost alike as the image. So for my next tutorial, I will be showing how to colors and what are the tools I can use for the colorings. So just watch out, yeah.